Effortless learning series machine learning story. Ravi was a curious student who loved technology. One day he asked his professor, "What is machine learning? I keep hearing about ML." The professor smiled and said, "You have already used it today, probably multiple times." So Ravi was surprised. "Really? When?" The professor explained, "When you Googled how to make chapati, the search engine used machine learning to rank results. When you uploaded photos to Instagram and tagged your friends, it used face recognition." Another form of machine learning. Ravi leaned forward. "Wait, even Netflix recommending me Star Wars sequels?" "Exactly," said the professor. "Those are all recommendation systems powered by machine learning. Same goes for voice assistants like Siri or Google. When you say, 'Play a song of Rihanna,' machine learning understand your voice and intent." "Even email filters?" Ravi asked. "Yes, machine learning detects spam and keeps your inbox clean." The professor continued, "Beyond this, ML is also saving lives, helping doctors diagnose diseases and factories catch defects. It even improves wind turbine energy output to fight climate change." Ravi was amazed. The professor added, "And now it's your turn. In this series, you will not only understand machine learning, you will build real systems with code." Ravi smiled. Let's go to mini story question and answers. Ravi was curious about machine learning. Who wanted to know about ML? Ravi. Did he know how it worked? No, he wanted to learn. The professor said Ravi already used it that day. Did Ravi use ML unknowingly? Yes, yes. Was he surprised? Yes. He googled it, how to make chapati. What did Ravi search for? How to make chapati. Which app used ML to rank results? Google search engine. Did ML help rank web pages? Yes, yes, yes. He uploaded pictures to Instagram. What app did he use? Instagram. Did it recognize faces? Yes, yes. Was tagging friends manual or automatic? Automatic, using ML. Netflix recommended him Star Wars sequels. What app gave movie recommendations? Netflix. What kind of system was used? It's a recommendation system, right? Was this also ML? Yes, of course, this is also machine learning. He used Siri and Google voice assistants. Did ML understand his voice? Yes, of course. Did ML know what song he wanted? Yes. Was voice to text part of ML? Yes. His inbox filtered spam. What did ML block? Spam emails. Was it accurate? Mostly yes, of course. Did it save his time? Yes, definitely it saves his time. ML used in hospitals and factories. Where else is ML used? Hospitals and factories. Does it help doctors? Yes, with the diagnosis. Does it find defects in factories? Yes, it's finding defects. Is it used in clean energy? Yes, to improve wind power. Ravi was excited to start learning. Was Ravi inspired? Yes. Did he want to code ML himself? Yes, absolutely. Through the series, he wants to learn. Welcome to vocabulary list. Machine learning ML. ML means teaching computers to learn from data without being hard coded. Face recognition. Identifying faces using image data. Recommendation system. Suggest movies, music, or content based on your behavior. Voice assistant. App that understand your voice commands. Spam filter. Blocks unwanted or fake emails automatically. Diagnosis. Finding out what's wrong, often in medical settings. Wind turbine optimization, using ML to improve clean energy production. Defect detection, finding errors in products using images or sensors. The final, machine learning is already everywhere in searches, selfies, shoppings, speech, and saving the planet. Start noticing it around you. Then learn how to build it yourself. Think big, start small, like Ravi. Thank you for watching.